one day short and important news. The administrative assistant of the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Maulavi Abdul Salam, said that Islamic Emirate has given priority to the protection of the capital and honor of all citizens, especially traders, by providing all kinds of facilities to traders and investors. The Minister of Information and Culture said that Islamic Emirate has a strong determination to protect the antiques and historical monuments of the country, and those people who smuggle these things will be dealt with seriously. Mullah Muhammad Yunus Akhundzada, Minister of Rural Reconstruction and Development, started the work of 6 check dams in Saripul province at the cost of 37 million Afghanis. 110 Taliban graduated from the Jihadi Madrasa or Islamic School of Ghazni province. During his visit to Kunduz province, Acting Minister of Rural Reconstruction and Development led the foundation stones of 6 important construction projects in this province. Nangarhar Refugees and Returnees Department says that along with Turham Umari camp, it has provided aid to refugees who have returned in these districts. Afghanistan Bank officials say that in 2023, the value of the Afghanis against foreign currencies has increased by 26.4%. The National Bureau of Statistics and Information says that this year nearly 400,000 metric tons of rice have been obtained from more than 129,000 hectares of land in 16 provinces of the country. 705 policemen graduated from the Police Training Center of Balkh province. In Kajaki district of Helmand, a well-equipped hospital was built and put into use by a businessman at the cost of $750,000 US.